solemnly swear to faithfully serve the new United States of America.
So help me God.
Ugh. So help me God. What now? Oath? Credentials? Coin? What have you gotten me into?
Nothing you'll regret. Besides, I'll be right beside you. Always. I promise.
2 questions.
Shoot.
You regret it? Like, ever?
Second question.
Ever broken a promise?
Once. A long while back. Haven't broken one since. Never will.
Careful. I'll hold you to that.
You fired a fucking missile at us. Innocent people dead. A miracle Myers even survived. Wasn't the deal. Not even close.
Songbird?
What? Guys, this... How'd you know?
Okay, Capricorn.
Better come true than a fucking horoscope. Some days, I'd open the window, sit on the sill, and just listen to the street sounds. You know, life happening. It was somehow soothing, that. I made so many mistakes, did terrible things. But here, back then, they never mattered. I know what I've done, know the price I've paid. What you don't know is how sorry I am, how much it all hurts.
So me. We'll make it out of here. Together.
Thank you. I'll keep this moment as this memory. Just one. Back home, a friend at my side. Before it all goes dark, for one last second, I'll know I wasn't alone. Second chance. I never really got it, did I? I kept hoping. Now I know. When you lose something, it's for good.